Hello YouTubers, and today I am going to show you how to make your voice sound like Darth Vader. First you need a program in the description, called Audacity, program called Audacity. The link will be in the description, or if you already have it, First record your Darth Vader line. Ha ha ha, Luke, I am your father. After you're done with that, highlight it, and then go to Effect, then change pitch. I usually prefer, for myself, around 22 between 18, so I'm going to pick 21, then a preview. I'm going to go a little bit deeper. I'm going to go a little bit. That sounds a little bit good. But after you're done with that, still keep it highlighted. And I go to echo, and this needs to be 0.005, and delete a 0 off this, and just keep the bottom one as the same. Now since you've done that, it'll perform it, like load. And then after you're done with that, go to export as WAV, go to file, then export as WAV, or however you say it, WAV, WAV, whatever. And then type in Darth Vader line, Darth Vader, doesn't matter. Now since I've done that, I'm going to click no, since I already saved it. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to turn up the volume for you guys to hear. I'm sorry.
Ha ha ha, Luke, I am your father.
And to me that sounded pretty good. Thank you for watching, YouTubers, and this is Batboy119 signing out.